My name is Melissa Dever. I'm one of the original founders of Competitive Computing, or as we're known now as C2. Currently, I am playing the role of board chair. What we really try to do, and I think all of our employees try to do, is understand from our client's perspective, what are they trying to achieve, what are the measurable results that would tell them they achieved it, and what's the most practical approach for them to be able to achieve their results and sustain, if not improve, those results.
I'm Eli Lesser-Goldsmith. I'm one of the owners of Healthy Living Marketing Cafe. The IT backbone and infrastructure is critical to the success of this business. And so, frankly, I couldn't do it without C2.
The ability to build long-term relationships with our customers has always been important to us, because you don't see the business transformation, you don't see the digital transformation now, you don't see the companies being competitive in their markets in very thin slices of time. You see it over time. You understand their strategies, you understand their goals, you understand where they're going.
One of the things that we are doing different up here is our level of customer intimacy. We really take that customer intimacy position to heart. We tend to have very strong and long-lasting relationships. To have 20 to 25-year-old clients in the technology industry is very, very powerful.
I'm Kendall Vinson, Senior Director of IT for Orvis. I've been with Orvis about 6 years now. Worked with C2 pretty much the entire time that I've been here. People that come in actually care about Orvis. They're not just going off and doing exactly what we say we need done. They bring up things and they show that they're engaged with the projects, and they're showing the same type of care that our Orvis associates do. And that's been my experience with C2 and the development staff that we've worked with. So they become kind of like just an extension of Orvis.
When we work with our customers, we do a lot of big project work. So whether it's a website replatform, putting in the e-commerce system, scrubbing up a lot of data, it can be a pretty lengthy project. It can be at times scary. It's a lot like skiing, right? So you're riding the lift is kind of the beginning of the project. When you get to the top, you look down, you think, oh my gosh, how are we going to get down this mountain? How are we going to tackle this entire project? The nice thing about C2 is this is what we do. So we're sort of the expert ski trainers leading you down the mountain.
I'm Tom Anfuso. I'm the CIO at National Life. I've been here since July of 2014. C2's been here for almost 20 years, which is pretty remarkable. They've been a part of quite a few transformations of IT here at National Life. They are a credible, talented consulting company that routinely has helped National Life through some of our bigger technical problems.
You always hear people, people, people. But having gotten into the financial role, I realized when kind of the first bubble burst, that from the top, the partners were willing to basically work for no salary for a while. It's like, we want to retain our talent, we want to retain our people, we want to keep the company going. So they were willing to do what they had to do. There were several people at C2 that said, how can I help? Can I work fewer hours? Can I do this? Can I do that? So the whole, kind of permeates down through the company.
My name is Bill Anderson. I'm the CIO at St. Michael's College. Over a long period of time, C2 has been our most reliable and longest term partner. C2 has played a critical role in establishing our VMware environment, in helping us work out the second data center. The team is great. I mean, the engineers, the folks that we've worked with have been top-notch.
Our customers, we're very grateful that they've entrusted to us the work that we've done for them and helped them in the ways that we have, because it does take a lot of trust to turn over large projects as they have with us over the years. And while they're not really here with us day in, day out, many of our staff are with them day in, day out. Large projects really require side-by-side work. It's really that work that's the core of C2. It's working with our customers to develop the solutions, put them in place, and make sure that they're working well.
I'm John Kalaki with Flynn Center for the Performing Arts in Burlington. C2 is there for us. I'll give you a good example. A year ago, our email server crashed. Right? Like, what do you do? Your team came and spent the entire night here at the Flynn, and you not only repaired the email server, but at the same time you simultaneously set up the other server. So in the morning, we seamlessly were able to have the repaired one now go over to the new one, and there's no disruption to the public. Seamless. But your team stayed through the night, because that's what C2 does in its partnership with the Flint. I love you folks at C2.